afternoon, children. Today my topic will be teeth. You have teeth. Mostly all the vertebrates have teeth. Then what is teeth? Teeth is the bony structure in your jaw, means in your mouth. You have seen in your mouth there is bony structure. Teeth is the bony structure in your jaw which helps to break down the food which you eat. What is teeth? Teeth is the hard and bony structure in your mouth which help to break down the food material which you eat. There are two kinds of teeth. When the child will born, there is no teeth in his or her mouth. But when he or she grown up, then after 6 to 12 months, 6 to 12 months, you will see, after 6 to 12 months, you will see the teeth in his or her mouth. Those teeth which you see in the mouth of the baby child, means when baby is of 6 to 12 months, that teeth is known as primary teeth. Primary teeth or milk teeth. Primary teeth or milk teeth. And the primary or milk teeth are how much? 20 in numbers. Primary teeth are 20 in number. But when the child grown up and attain the age of 5 to 12 years or 5 to 10 years, these milk teeth or primary teeth fell down and the permanent teeth grown up in his or her mouth. The teeth which are permanent till the death of boy or girl is known as permanent teeth. Then there are two kinds of teeth. In childhood there is milk teeth, and in adulthood there is permanent teeth. And the number of milk teeth is 20, but the number of permanent teeth is 32. Number of permanent teeth is 32. 32 teeth are permanent teeth, and they are 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. But those 16 are also of 4 types. Your teeth are not of same type. There is difference in between the teeth. You will see in front there are different teeth, in back there are different teeth. Then there are 4 category of teeth. Those are incisor. Incisor means those teeth which help you to cut your food. The teeth which help you to cut the food material are known as incisor. And after incisor there are 4 canines to this side and to this side, 4 canines. And after that 4 premolars. And last, in the back of the jaw, in the back of the mouth, there are 4 teeth, that is molar. Means there are 4 category of teeth: incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Now we will see what is the function of teeth. The function of teeth is, teeth help us to talk. When you are talking, your teeth is also helping to correct your pronunciation. What you want to tell, what you want to speak, your teeth is helpful in speaking. In eating, it helps to break down the food materials. To smile, if you are smiling, then your teeth is also helping to smile. To maintain facial appearance, if there would be proper teeth in your mouth, your facial appearance will be attractive. But when the teeth will be broken, your facial appearance will in zigzag manner. So, what are the function? Teeth helps to talk, to eat, to smile and to maintain the facial appearance. Thank you, children. It was the topic for today, teeth. I will tell in next class the decaying of teeth. I will give you some question on my topic which I taught today and you will do in your copy. Thank you.